Welcome to SPM Chemistry Simulations Volume 2. A sequel of SPM Chemistry Simulations Volume 1, which is an enhanced version of the series based on the latest KBSM syllabus from the Ministry of Education. This volume includes a teacher's guide and 69 simulations in 2 CDs, i.e., Disc A and Disc B. All perfectly packaged in a durable box folder. Navigation buttons are placed for user accessibility in each page. These include Task, Notes, Back, Next, and Home buttons. Task and Notes will be explained further in the features of the simulations. Next and Back buttons allow users to change simulations from one to another. Home button allows user to return to main menu. In the main menu, user can click on chapter links to open up simulation links. Here, user can point the mouse cursor at the bottom of the page to scroll down the menu, and vice versa. Each simulation consists of 2 main features. They are the Task and Notes button. The Task buttons refers to the steps on how to use the simulation, while Notes button provides extra information related to the topics covered by the simulation. As you can see here, we also provide ample space for teachers to type in their own notes and save it. This is one very notable new feature in Volume 2 compared to its predecessor. The simulation shown here is an example of a simulation featuring 3D models. Here, teachers can choose from the radio buttons given to view different 3D models of acid carboxylic. Teachers can also manipulate the model given by moving, zooming, rotating, or animating it with just a click of a button. Another feature of the simulation in this series is animation. This animation shows the process of cleansing action of soap. From the screen, we can see that the process is presented in a step-by-step method. Each step visualizes the details of the process involved simultaneously with simple explanation. This animation can make teaching and learning process more enjoyable because both students and teachers can study the actual process together as compared to the conventional way of looking at static images in the textbook. The next simulation emphasizes another feature found in this series, which is on user interactivity. As you can see here, there are more than 10 compound formulae given. When users click on a compound, the simulation will give more details about the compound. Users can click on the checkboxes given either to acquire information about the oxidation number of metal, the IUPAC name, or the common name for the selected compound. This simulation acts as a comprehensive dictionary of IUPAC name as the simulation gives many examples of compound formulae. Experiment-based simulation plays an important role in science subjects because it helps students to visualize the process and show the results in real time. Here, teachers can choose the anode and the cathode to be used in this experiment. Both the graphic and the explanation will update automatically as users select any combination of anode and cathode. In addition, teachers can play the animation. They can also zoom in on the experiment where the main focus of reaction takes place. When the graphic is zoomed in, users can also move the graphic around the stage to get a better view. To encourage flexibility in this simulation, users can toggle between the zooming in and zooming out of the graphic. Now, let us focus on a simulation that features a step-by-step solution. The simulation shown enables users to choose either Type 1, or Type 2 so that they are familiarized with different styles of how a question can be asked. Each type consists of 5 steps. Each step shows the details of how the solution can be obtained. The interesting part of this simulation is the highlighter tool. This tool acts as a highlighter for teachers to mark, draw, highlight, or just scribble on the screen. This tool is very useful because it helps teachers to highlight and emphasize important points of this simulation. When the highlighter is no longer needed, teachers can simply click on the Clear Highlight button to remove all highlighted areas. SPM Chemistry Simulations Volume 1 is a success, and we promised that Volume 2 would be much better due to the enhancements made. Rest assured that you would get your money's worth when you purchase SPM Chemistry Simulations Volume 1.